Welcome everyone, and thank you so much for joining in this very important update here on price action of Bitcoin. Because if we look at the price action of Bitcoin and look at these indicators are finally turning bullish. Yes guys, RSI, MACD and T3CCI are finally turning bullish and also indicating upcoming impulsiveness here on price action of Bitcoin. So in this video, we are going to find out whether that is going to happen or not, whether the price of Bitcoin is going to get attracted towards the next area of confluence here to the upside before deciding the trend direction. So before I do that, please destroy that like button, and for those individuals watching this for the first time, hit the subscribe button and the bell. So looking at this in a daily time frame, you can see guys, RSI, MACD and T3CCI, these indicators are turning bullish because in the past price action we have found out whenever the RSI line has jumped above 50, MACD forming a bullish crossover and T3CCI at the same time appearing at the positive territory, it has resulted in some very bullish movement. I mean, if we look at this one here from past price action, RSI appearing above 50, MACD forming a bullish crossover, T3CCI in a positive territory. This confirmation led to a bullish crossover here on Williams alligator indicator, green line appearing at the top, blue line at the bottom, and after that you can see guys, the price of Bitcoin had a very bullish move here. Very similar scenario unfolded. RSI started appearing over 50, MACD forming a bullish crossover, T3CCI indicator in a positive territory. After that we saw Williams alligator indicator turning bullish. I mean, green line started to appear at the top, blue line at the bottom, and we know in the past price action whenever we have seen that happening, it has led to some very impulsive movement. So in our case, it is happening one more time. RSI is already above 50, MACD already forming this bullish crossover, T3CCI already in a positive territory. So in the past price action, this crossover has led to a bullish crossover here on Williams alligator indicator, which resulted in some very nice impulsive movement here on price action of Bitcoin. So right now, if we look in our case, a very similar scenario could be unfolding for Bitcoin, because we know the price, if it remains above 26,800 to 25,000 here in the medium short term, then that could also be resulting in some very impulsiveness, because this is also going to be a breakout from the falling wedge. Yes guys, falling wedge is a bullish scenario, just like I shown you in an example. And in our case, the price of Bitcoin has already broken the upper trend line resistance. Yes, this upper trend line has always acted as a strong line of resistance, and now we are above it. So we just need the price in the medium short term to remain above 26,800 to continue this uptrend, to continue this impulsiveness towards the next area of confluence, which is going to be around 30,000 to 32,000 range before deciding the trend direction. Yes guys, according to this falling wedge, our price objective is going to be around 30,000 to 32,000 range. So if we remain above this 26,800 in the medium short term, we are expecting the price of Bitcoin after that to show some impulsiveness. And even if this fakes out, right, even if the price fakes this impulsiveness and starts showing corrective movement one more time, we know nothing to worry, because this has happened in the past price action. After the confirmation from this indicator, the price has showed some range bound, and only after that started showing impulsiveness. So nothing to worry as long as the price in a bigger frame remains above 25,000 and in the medium short term above 26,800 range, because we know in the past price action, whenever the price of Bitcoin has found support above this rising trend line, it has resulted in some very nice impulsive movement. I showed you yesterday, right? The price in the past price action, whenever it has found support at this rising trend line, it has resulted in some very impulsive movement from the bottom till the top, around 54% move. From the bottom till the top, around 58% price move. So this is exactly what we are also expecting, around 50% move here on price action of Bitcoin. So if that does plays out, I mean, if we are going to see another 50%, at least 50% move here on price action of Bitcoin, it will bring us above 35 to 40,000 range. Yes guys, this would be the best case scenario for Bitcoin for the upcoming days, but I won't say it's impossible. Please be careful, because you know Bitcoin likes to surprise us. So for now, I am going to say this would be the best case scenario, but for now we just need the price to hold the 26,800 in the medium short term. And even if we do see further shakeout, as long as the price in a bigger frame remains over 25,000, there is nothing to worry about, because we know if this trend does continues further here to the upside, first in the medium short term, this CPI lines, June CPI line, bottom, central and the top CPI line is the line where we are getting attracted. And I have been saying this since couple of days. Yes, this line, the June month CPI, might be attracting the price before deciding the trend duration for the medium short term. So that's why the price of Bitcoin, after testing the support from this monthly S1 line, even with some fake out, you can see is again getting attracted towards the CPI line. So if we do manage to flip the 28,000 into proper support, the top of the CPI line, then for this month, right, the R1 is sitting around 29,400 range. Yes, this 29,400 line is going to be looked as our upcoming target for this month of June for now, right? Once we flip the 28,000 into proper support, because that only happens when the price is preparing itself for this new impulsive movement. And not just only that, even if you look at this in a smaller time frame, yesterday I showed you that this descending channel upper line always acted as a line of resistance, lower line always acted as a line of support. So right now, if you look at this carefully, guys, you can see this upper trend line looks like already being broken, and now the price is fighting to remain above 26,800 range. So in the medium short term, if we do remain above 26,800 range, then the price for the coming days could be also breaking out from this descending channel. I mean a breakout, right? Breakout like this at least towards 28,000 before deciding the trend duration. And even if we look at this in a bit different way, I mean using this descending channel, descending broadening wedge, you can see, guys, the price has already broken a key line of resistance. But I just showed you with this descending channel, if we can find support over this descending channel upper trend line around 26,800, then there is a very high probability for this trend to continue further here to the upside. And even according to this descending broadening wedge, 28,000 could be on the line. So that's why, guys, 28,000 will be looked as our upcoming target once the price finds proper support over 26,800 range. And not just only that, even if we look at this price action of Bitcoin using this inverted head and shoulder, according to this inverted head and shoulder, you can see we are getting attracted, or we are facing some resistance exactly at the neckline. Yes, once this neckline gets flipped into proper support, then there is a very high probability for this trend to continue further here to the upside. And in that case, according to this inverted head and shoulder, you can see the price of Bitcoin could be getting attracted towards this 28,000 range. That's why, guys, 28,000 is going to be looked as our upcoming target for Bitcoin, but not like this. Please keep this in mind. We are not expecting a bullish movement like this. We are expecting some more range bound, right? Because we found out we need a confirmation from this Williams alligator indicator as well. And we know with some range bound, the Williams alligator indicator is also going to turn bullish, and that will result in an actual impulsive movement here in price action of Bitcoin. I mean a move like this with some range bound and a final breakout towards this 28,000 before deciding the trend direction. So that is another reason why the price of Bitcoin needs to hold this 26,800 support line at any cost. And even in a bigger frame, when the price of Bitcoin was showing this shakeout, I was very clear with you guys. Please do not panic, because the price is still above the 30-week exponential moving average, still above the neckline from this inverse head and shoulder. Yes, this inverse head and shoulder, this 30-week exponential moving average was lying around 25,000. So this pullback was the retest from this key line of resistance. And now, since it is turning into a support, the price for the upcoming days could be slowly breaking out from this falling wedge. And this falling wedge could result in some very, very bullish movement here in the price action of Bitcoin for the upcoming days. And even this cup and handle, this retracement was not just only a retracement to test the neckline from this inverse head and shoulder 30-week exponential moving average, but also to form a handle from this cup. And now, if we are going to break out from this descending channel or falling trend line, just like this bull flag formation, right, then we are expecting another continuation here to the upside. And in that case, by simply adding this trend line here, you can see 36,000 is on the line. So I think the price of Bitcoin, if it breaks above this 28,000, could be slowly turning bullish, and also the upcoming days might be favoring the long. So these are some of the quick updates that I wanted to share with you in today's video. If you enjoyed my work, then please guys, please destroy that like button, and for those individuals watching this for the first time, hit the subscribe button and the bell. Now by saying this, I'm signing out. My name is Anup. Bye bye.